everyone. Hope you're having a great day. So, first of all, I didn't come here to do any DIYs. Oh yeah, this is the Fenty Beauty Body Lava versus the aloe vera primer slash setting spray. Okay, because the body lava and the aloe vera it's all over the tube. You can go look and find it for yourself, when it comes to DIY, because for me, I love a good old DIY. Okay? I love them. If it's something, that I want to use and everything, yes, I will go look. I want to see how it's made, budget friendly, some things I have in my home, because of course, everybody these days, you want stuff that's budget friendly, something you can make versus spending your money. Because on the body lava, this is $60. $60, and it seems to be selling out all over the place. Setting sprays run anywhere from 4, 5, 6, 7, primers. I mean, the primer I use is a $10 primer. You can get some for 5. You can get some for 3 and stuff. I mean, one I bought for 2, which was like, no. Okay? But I just come, ladies, to give you the tea. I come to give you the tea. Okay? Okay, I found out a little secret. And just in case you didn't know it, I came to share. Okay? So, the body lava is being made with the oils. Okay, all different type of oils. I mean, it's really pretty. You hide pigment, powder, whatever color you want. And making it with the lotions, which I'm going to suggest the lotions, which will work way much better than the oils, because the oils, they drip. And ladies, oil, come on. Everybody knows you rub oil on you. It's just, it's shiny. I mean, you put the pigments in it, it make it a little bit more shiny, but it just basically sits there. Okay? It sits. It's not going anywhere. You touch it, it's oily on your hands. That'll transfer to your clothing. You be putting your clothes in the cleaners or getting that spray and wash to, get the spots out or what have you. The lotion, everybody who's come on now. We've all used lotion at one point in time. It's a moisturizer. It dries down. It dries down very well. I have it on my skin already. And stuff. It dries down very well. Okay? But the body lava versus the aloe vera. So let me tell you about this. You can find it. You can make it if you don't already know how to make it. A young lady gave me this, and I was like, what am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? Okay, because I buy, like I said, the primers and everything. But I've been trying this, excuse me, for a month. And lo and behold, and it's hot heat out here. This works. This actually works. It sets my face, the thick, you make it thicker, it's a setting spray. You make it thin, it's a primer. I've done both entire month using it with my foundations. So one day after I had done my face and I put my body lava on that I made, of course, with the lotion. Lo and behold, I took it out. I was spraying. Fell down on my neck, and guess what, ladies? Guess what? This is the tea. It set the body lava as well. It set it. You see, it's set. It's still set. It is set. Didn't transfer. I have on white today. It hasn't transferred to my clothes. And I go from here all the way down to the breast line. Okay? Nothing. It's nothing. Nothing. No. It's not transferring. It's going to set it as well. So, ladies, I ran across this wonderful secret. Wanted to share. Make you that aloe vera and water. while you're setting your face, also set the body lava. Like I said, body lava versus aloe vera. Lo and behold, they work together. They work together. You hear me? They work. Try them, ladies. Share it with everybody else as well. Okay? Because I like a whole lot of DIYs. I like to share what I find as well. So let's get to glowing in 2018. This is the year of the glow. Rihanna did it best. She was awesome. She looked beautiful. So, ladies, take and make your aloe vera in water and get to setting your body lava and share it with everyone else. And as usual, thank you for watching as always. And if you're new, subscribe. Subscribe, ladies. You don't want to miss another video. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Bye.